Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. Today we have on our faux diamonds, so you know what we're going to be talking about. What was that? Diamond painting. So I just recently posted a video where I addressed some very rude comments that I've been getting lately about my faux diamonds, my gloves, where I shop, all of these rude comments. And a lot of the friends in my crafty community here told me to double down on all the things that make me who I am and make this channel what it is. Of course, you know I was gonna double down on it. That's why we got on more diamonds today. I had one person tell me to wear more diamonds. I had another person tell me, go ahead and start switching up the glove colors. What you didn't know is that I've already batch recorded a ton of videos where I'm switching out some of the gloves. I actually did it not because I wanted to try different colors of gloves, but because I was testing out different brands and I wanted to try some different colors to see how I liked it. So there will be plenty of videos coming where the gloves are different colors. I have some hot pink gloves that are kind of my favorites next to the black gloves. I tend to wear my black gloves when we diamond paint because they look really good with these faux diamonds that I got on. Y'all know I had to do it. I want to thank everyone who showed me love in that video and came up and gave me so much encouragement. I was looking a mess. My hair was a mess. I had spit going everywhere. I didn't care. I just wanted to say what I needed to say, and it made me feel a lot better. I know I didn't have to address the rude comments. A lot of people was telling me, just block them. You don't have to address it. I know, but I wanted to address it because I wanted you to hear me. Okay. But I love y'all. I love y'all. And I haven't gotten any rude comments on that video as of the time of me recording this. So who knows? But we're doubling down. It's going to get a lot more excessive than it was before. You can bet your bottom dollar that. So without further ado, let's get into this video. This video is being brought to you by FeeLookArt. They sent me another huge diamond painting. Now, y'all know on this channel specifically, I don't really have no plans to do a lot of those big diamond paintings that I see you pros do. I specialize in small diamond art that I can do before and after work, in between meetings. If I need just a stress reliever real quick, I focus on the small diamond art. The first one, the first box that FeeLook actually sent me was of this beautiful Asian princess. I can't pronounce her name. I will put the video for the first unboxing from FeeLookArt below in the description. Fun fact, so I posted this and I had all intentions on giving this diamond painting away. And my mother texts me shortly after watching the video talking about some tea. She calls me T sometimes, like T-E-E. She said, T, I love that diamond painting of that Asian princess. We should do that together. I said, now, who are you and where is my mother? Because she has never volunteered to diamond paint with me until she saw this. And this one is huge, y'all. This one is huge. And she has a best friend who's a doctor, a lady who is from China. And I believe that my mother in her mind envisioned this going in her best friend's doctor's office. And I think that's why she got so excited about it. And I wasn't even thinking about that when I saw this. And so now I have to keep this because mom likes it. I don't know when we're going to do this. Mom, I don't have no desire to sit down and do this right now, but I got to keep it now because it's been co-signed by mom, and mom will rarely co-sign things. So when she says she likes something, she's tricky. She can be tricky. So we're keeping that one. This next one that they sent me is called Blue Mosaic. And it is from their, I think it's some type of romance line. I chose this specific one because it's got the round diamonds, but it's a partial, I believe. According to the website, this is a partial. So this is huge. Y'all know when you get something from FeeLookArt, it comes in this big old long box. Okay, it's a box within a box. And then you get this particular box that's wrapped in plastic that we're gonna unwrap. And the box says, every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. And I do truly feel that about diamond painting. I diamond paint for my mental health, and it has truly helped relax me. And then it also says in the box, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. This is a very luxe box. Everything about FeeLookArt is high quality from what I can see. and what I can tell. And a lot of diamond painters that I follow, they sign off on this brand and say, yes, it is good. I've seen a lot of the diamond painters that I follow unbox these. These are a little bit more on the expensive side. So just know that a diamond painting like the one I'm about to show you would probably cost you around $50 or $60 possibly. But the quality is there. The box is very luxe. The box is very sparkly. Okay. And so I'm going to unbox this. I'm probably going to give you a top down view. On the back of the box, just in case you didn't see the last video, it has the steps to create your diamond painting there. And let's see what we got here. And then you have the canvas that is wrapped in plastic. This is huge. This is huge. I don't know who at FeeLookArt looked at my videos and said, oh, let's send one to her. But I'm very grateful. Thank you, FeeLook. So then you get this sparkly pamphlet that gives you instructions as well. It's very nice. And what I love about this is that on the back it says you have your personal creation record. So you have the start date and the completion date on the back here. And you can put your signature here. And then they give you their socials on the back. There's a barcode you can scan. It says you're not just placing diamonds, you're creating your own story. Okay. And then the inside of the box says when tiny sparks become masterpieces. So this is going to double as a storage box for me. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and roll this out in front of y'all before I do a top down, just so I can see. This is heavy. This is how you know. When it's heavy, this is how you know it's already something Diaries don't need to be messing with. Y'all, I thought this was supposed to be a partial. This ain't no partial here. Okay, so the woman does have beautiful tan skin. She looked a lot paler in the picture, but in this light, she looks almost a very beautiful brown tan. And we've got all of these drills. All of these drills. This is heavy. It's rare when I get a drill pack and it's heavy. And then you get their FeeLookArt kit. I'm going to go ahead and open this again, even though I opened it on the first video, just in case this is your first time tuning in. I love that they give you a kit. And they give you this is the same color pen that I got in the last one, but this is a heavy duty painting pen. And it is a twist and pick. So you twist at the top here. This is really pretty. I need to keep this one out. I didn't keep the other one out. I need to keep that one out to go with my diamond painting pens. Then they give you some putty. You get these heavy duty tweezers, which are phenomenal. And I think, oh yeah, they give you 2 trays. They give you 2 trays. I think this diamond painting is so huge. It's not a partial. This is a full canvas. And then they give you extra baggies for kitting up. And then they give you stickers. So this is to help you with the key. Okay. And the key is on both sides of, Now, Mom, don't you call me talking about something. Ooh, let's do that one too. Don't you call me. Don't call me, because I'm not going to answer the phone. Do not call me about this diamond painting. We're going to do one, and that's going to be it. If we even get to that one. This is gorgeous. I don't know when I'm going to do this. FeeLook got so much faith in me. They have so much faith in me. This again is called Blue Mosaic. The fabric size is 68 by 88 centimeters, 26.8 by 34.6 inches. And the design size is 60 by 80 centimeters, 23.6 by 31.5 inches. And it is round. Yeah, she looks way more tan on this, which her skin tone is very beautiful on this one. The picture, I feel like on the, woo, y'all done got tired. The picture, the picture on the box, okay, I don't think does her justice. This is big. This is big. This gives me a lot of anxiety. Let me put this top down so we can look at it, okay? So y'all, this is how big this is, okay? So basically, send help. Send help. I'm trying to adjust the camera here, so just go with it, y'all. Just go with it. This film on the top is not super thin. It is a nice, it's a medium weight film. It's not super thick either, but it's good. This is not super crinkly anyway. I think you can see how pretty her sort of tan is with this light. I'm gonna put an overhead light on. It may cause a glare. I usually don't put that light on because it causes a glare. But I just want you to see this drill field. It is, ooh, child. They're not gonna call me no more after this. They're not gonna call me no more. Look at this. This whole thing has got to be done. There are symbols, there are numbers, there are characters. Oh, y'all. Very beautifully done. Very beautifully done. This would take me years. Doing it alone would take me years. Me and Mom, we might could get it done together. But, so this is it. She's gorgeous. I will put I do have an affiliate link to get you some money off if you buy one of these. So I will put that in the description below. I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish here. Try to smooth this out, but this is real pretty. I'm kind of just looking closer at the drill field myself. It's very sticky. I love her makeup in this. I love her blush. Her eyes, that green in her eyes. Can y'all see how pretty that green in her eyes is? So, let's see. Yeah, she's gorgeous. So this is it, y'all. This is the one. The second one from FeeLookArt. Haven't even started on the first one, but I'm very appreciative that they trusted me with unboxing their gorgeous product. I would highly recommend them if this is your deal. If you get down with these large diamond paintings, this company is definitely the one for you. It's a great newer company, not newer company, but it's a great different company to try if you hadn't heard of them before. And, you know, I think that's it for me. I can't really do nothing else for y'all with this. This is as far as I can go. So if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some flowers in the comments. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep sparkling. Keep enjoying your crafts. Keep staying true to you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.